All right, Punk. How you doing today?
I'm lovely. How are you?
I'm good. You're wearing a funny-looking get-up there. You got cool-looking jumpsuit, little harness.
Like a Ghostbuster.
Yeah. Right on. Well, you're skydiving today, obviously, with the U.S. Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.
Yeah.
Hey, has anybody told you don't have a parachute on, just a big danger sign on your back?
That's cool.
It is,
Ready.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It must be your middle name.
Because some insane fool is going to be strapped to me. So.
Yeah? Maybe that guy right there?
Okay.
Hey, Joe. Hey, hang on, Punk. You obviously drew the short straw today.
Yeah.
Just saying, you know. All right, Joe, you ready to take him up?
Yeah, man. Hey, I've always wanted to throw a punk out of a plane.
Yeah?
Cool.
See, that's funny.
It is funny.
See, that was a joke.
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
That's why I look up to him.
All right, man. Hey, tell you what, we're going to go up to 13,500 feet, 120 mile an hour, straight back down. You ready to go do this thing?
Yes.
All right, let's go have some fun.
All right, brother.
Army strong.
All right, Punk, here we are, 11,000 feet on our way up to 13.5. How you feeling?
I feel great. I'm strapped to world famous Mr. Jones right now, and I'm comfortable with it. I don't know how he is. I feel the weight of my massive girth is maybe crushing him, inhibiting his breathing. I don't know.
Joe, how you feeling?
I got your back.
Yeah?
Stick for real, because I'm on your back.
That's a joke.
That's a joke.
All right, hey, Punk, is there anybody you'd like to say hi to before we jump out of this tin can?
No, not really. I don't like many people, so, you know.
Sounds good. Hey, we're going to have some fun. We'll see you outside.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me help you out, Punk.
All right, let's go again.
What'd you think about that?
It's over too quick.
It is, isn't it?
It's fairly amazing. You know, I was going to try to... Yeah, get that for me. I was going to try to play tough guy and get that. You know, kind of boring. Way too much of a natural high to say anything less than that.
Nice. Hey, congratulations, man. Thanks for coming out and jumping with the Golden Knights.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Good job, I really appreciate it. Awesome. Awesome shit.